Hey guys, it is so cold outside, and I wanted to show you that, oh my gosh, do you hear that? Oh wow, 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 look, I don't know if you can see this. I'm trying to shine my flashlight up into the trees. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to shine. I'm on my porch, so it's not really working right now for the flashlight. But I keep hearing the wind. Whoa, I feel like I might be blown over. There's my flashlight on the light there, on the leaves. Oh my gosh, it's freezing. Whew. I think this is from California. I think this is what was supposed to go to California. Oh my gosh, it's freezing. Wow, I'm shaking my bones. Wow. Holy cow. Here, let's watch this. Watch this rose bush when it starts. Here it goes. Whoa. I keep hearing it out my window. I keep hearing it, and I'm like, whoa, that's the wind. And it is ice cold. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh no, I'm gonna go inside. This is just too cold. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, whoa. My jaws are chattering. I wish you could see the trees. I'm trying to show my flashlight up there. I mean, it is just blowing like the wind. Listen to it. Oh, there's the moon. Right up there. Oh, there's the moon. There's the moon. There's the moon. There's the moon right there. Come on, zoom in. Look at the moon. I can't focus on it because it's too windy. Okay, I'm gonna try to go out here real quick. Oh man. There's the moon. Oh, what? What? There it is again. That thing. There it is again. What is going on? Oh my goodness. Okay. Whoa. It is like almost 3 in the morning, guys. I gotta go to bed. That is crazy. You can see it through the trees. Look at that. The branches are blowing over it. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm freezing. Okay, wow. Man, that's cold. Okay, this is just as Tucson. Good night. Sleep well. Be warm. Be